Another version of tall, dark, and handsome, but this time high-end. Meron nga ditong modern, brand new 3-story house with a swimming pool sa Murville Park Subdivision, Parañaque. Open layout ang living dining area at may double height ceiling. Ayun yung kitchen. At eto naman yung swimming pool. Parang indoor swimming pool. So kahit mainit o maaraw, hindi ka mangingitim pag nag-swimming ka. Medyo sizable din. Meron tong lot area na 306 square meters. Ang floor area nasa 627 square meters. Kaya kung medium to big size family ka, okay na okay sa'yo to. Ang lapit pa sa Makati, sa airport, sa BGC at saka sa Entertainment City. Ito yung daily kitchen. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo yung second floor and third floor. Follow for